Guys, we're gonna do a little skillet mac and cheese with a little smoked brisket in the Pit Boss vertical smoker coming up. What's up, fans of barbecue? I'm CJ from CJ's Q. Appreciate you being here today. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's Q crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button for all the good barbecue recipes you can handle. All right, so what are we going to do today? Guys, I have some leftover brisket, which I know is tough to imagine because usually when we make brisket, it goes, we have family members coming over, we take it to people, all that stuff. But you know, with the current vibe going on in the world right now, we have a lot of leftovers because not a lot of people are coming over to eat. So I cooked a 16-pound prime brisket the other day in the Pit Boss vertical smoker. It turned out amazing. Probably the best brisket I ever made, and I was kicking myself in the pants for not filming it and getting it out to you guys. But it was amazing. So what am I gonna do with the leftovers, guys? We're gonna make a little mac and cheese. Just an easy recipe. This isn't passed down from generation to generation. This is just something I'm gonna throw together real quick. We got cheese, we got cream, got little onions, got half a stick of butter, pasta. Obviously, we're using shells. I couldn't find elbow macaroni, but shells work for me. Got that brisket all chopped up. First thing we're gonna do is get this pellet smoker on. We're gonna do it 350, and we're gonna do it for 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this cast iron skillet in there and get it warmed up. When we pour the mac and cheese in this cast iron skillet, it'll already be fired up to temperature, and hopefully get a little of that crispy bits on the outside that everybody loves, all right? Making the mac and cheese is easy as can be. Boiled up some water, put the pasta in it. I mean, obviously that's, use the directions on the box. I would cook it to al dente because you're gonna finish it in the skillet so it doesn't have to be completely done. So once we get the pasta in the water, it's boiling, it's doing its thing, we're gonna make the cheese sauce for this. I know a lot of people like to use a little bit of flour, but I'm not going to today. I'm just gonna use some butter. We're gonna saute up just about a half a cup of onions. We're gonna add the cream to it, get it kind of scalded in there a little bit, get it nicely up to temperature. And then we're gonna add about 2 cups of cheddar jack that's already shredded, and a cup of mozzarella that's also already shredded. I try to make this as easy as possible and quick as possible. That mozzarella in there is gonna cause that ooey gooey, you know, pull of the mac and cheese. And then we're gonna take that mixture, pour the pasta in there. We're gonna mix the cheese and pasta together, and then we're gonna take it out here, put it in the pan. It's gonna be easy as can be. All right, guys, let's go get that mac and cheese mixture. We got our cast iron skillet heating up. We're gonna combine them together. It's gonna be amazing, guys. Come on back. All right, team, let's do this. We got our water pan going. Got our cast iron right here. Get all cheesy. And I'm not gonna put any kind of cover on there. Any kind of breadcrumbs or anything like that. That's just all goodness right there. Hear a little sizzle going on. Just gonna flatten it out. See all them bits of brisket? This is about the cheesiest mac and cheese you gonna know. Just push that back in there. Gonna let it go for about 30 minutes. Yeah, guys. 20 minutes in, get a little bubbly on the outside. I think what we're gonna do is put this under the broiler for a little bit too. Took it out of the Pit Boss. Now I'm gonna do a little broil on the top of it just to get a little crispified in there. About 5 minutes under the broiler, we should be good to go. All right, guys, we're back in the house. We got our skillet brisket mac and cheese. It's ready to go. It looks lovely. Just look at all of them flavors just rolling together. I'm gonna take a little bite and try to get a little brisket in there. A little cheesy. Oh, look at that steam. You know what that says right there? It says burnt taste buds. So, hope you guys appreciate this. Oh, blown up. Oh man, I know that brisket is good already, man. That was the best brisket I ever made. And I'm kicking myself in the butt for not putting the video together. All right. Man, that's awesome. The flavors are there. My taste buds are intact, thank goodness. Guys, get yourself one of these vertical smokers. I'll even put a link down below for you. It is awesome. This turned out awesome. I'm so excited for this one. Can't wait to eat this for dinner right now. Listen, I hope you all have a wonderful week. Thanks for hanging out with me in my backyard and in my kitchen. Take care.